Here we have today our bottoms up kettlebell carry. We're going to hold our kettlebell with the bottom facing to the sky. Our top tips for this is we want to keep our wrist and elbow in a straight line, our shoulder and our elbow in a straight line also. Common concerns or problems with this one is over time we start to see the elbow flaring out and the shoulder rolling in. We want to make sure that that all stays in a nice stiff line, and we don't want to be leaning back at all. Okay, rib cage stays down. So we're going to bring our kettlebell into our front rack position. I'll take a few paces back. I like to hold my other hand out to the side to again provide that little bit of a stability challenge. And we're going to take some small steps, keeping our weight forward, head over our toes. Okay, for a bigger challenge, a heavier kettlebell, start low and build up into this one, guys. It's a lot harder than you expect, but really good work for shoulders. Tuck the elbow in, so keep that wrist nice and straight. So you kind of got a bit flexed at the minute. Yeah, okay. Yeah. And press. Good, so again, what we're watching here for is wrist and elbow. So at the minute the wrist is a little bit inside that elbow, there we go. So if the wrist comes inside the elbow, we're losing that external rotation piece. And this is an external rotation exercise for the shoulder. As Carrie presses overhead, she's thinking about pressing up and pulling back with a little bit of scapular retraction. We want the bicep to end up beside the ear.